Good day, everyone. Learn how to change your Microsoft account password, whether it's a laptop or phone, you can do that. So open your browser and type Microsoft. And once you will search Microsoft in Google or MSN, you will find Microsoft.com. Please make sure you only visit Microsoft.com site. And I'll click on that. Now here you need to sign in at the top right corner. If you have signed in, you can simply click on this profile icon, and here we need to click on My Microsoft Account. And then we will click on Sign In. So I'll click on that. It's asking me for the password. I'll enter it. So very soon we will have the account. Now at the top right corner, we have this option, change password. If you do not see, by any chance, if you do not see, you can go to the security tab, and there you will find change password right there. So you can select that. It says two-step verification is turned on, change password, and we can click on that and it will verify, and you can also try that. And from here you can change your Microsoft account password. So this is how you can change your Microsoft account password on Windows 11 as well. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.